trying to film every single day that I snowboard this season. So far, I've been doing it, so stay tuned. Hopefully it's fun to watch. What's happening? Welcome back. Robbie's here today, and we're going to Northstar, and there's some fresh snow. Gotta get that cool artwork shot. This is gonna be our first time paying for parking at Northstar. Bullshit. There is free parking. There's free parking here. You just have to park 3 miles away. Are we paying $10?
Let's see what that free parking's about.
It's right here. We have to take a bus in. All right, I'll do my best to document today. See how the camera does. There's a car grinding the road. It's pretty cool. Rob got a new board.
Day 2.
First lift, Vista. We don't know if we're just super early today or no one's here. The park is like completely empty. I think it's just early. Which way are we going? Right or left? Tell me in the comments. Rob, this way. Let's get Mickey here. Oh. Rob! Couldn't even film a whole run. Camera turned off by itself. So frustrated with this GoPro. Groomers are nice today at Northstar. It's gonna be a fun one. We are now on our way to the top of the mountain. Got a couple runs, it's been sweet. Just a little bit of fresh on top of the nice groomers. Feels great. Yeah. We're on Comstock Express right now. All right, hopefully the camera wants to stay on. I think it's getting too cold. We made it over to the backside. Lightly snowing, oh so beautiful. Got dust on crust, but at least it's fresh lines. It's fun. A lot of little bumps we're jumping off of. We're on the Islands run. Ten seconds at a time. Try and film. One shot, maybe. We're on the backside chair right now. All right, so I just put a different battery in. Hopefully I can get shots longer than 5 seconds. Dude, Rob's riding faster than me right now. Wash out. All right, we're staying rolling for like 2 minutes. Must be the batteries. That's it right there. Ah, that's gonna be such a good shot. It's nice that the battery's actually working. Camera's staying on. I dropped the Pro Tune settings since I did a full camera reset. We're just on the regular old GoPro settings. Not quite, huh? Decent. Whoa! You okay? Fun day so far. We stopped at the mid lodge, the regular lodge, I guess, and got some drinks.
$50.
$50 for a drink Saturday. No, it's not too bad. Cheers. We just had a little mishap though with the GoPro case. Sorry, Mark. We'll see if we can get it replaced. The mount and the handle detached. I don't know if you can see that very well. But yeah, little breakage. It's just not strong enough for the action sports. I mean, it's an action sport camera. It should be strong enough to withstand the action of the sports. We're having fun. We're gonna get refueled and then go back out for a couple more rides. Loving this life. I love you like life. Might have to use a slightly stupid song today. Just repping the cause. It's really snowing again. It's like it's winter all over. No more icy conditions. Let's go pow. Pray for snow. All right, so after break, lunch, feels like a completely different day. We're on the same run, Stump Alley. It's gonna be some fun. Just like you. Rob has a completely fresh run right in front of him. Completely fresh. Give me a spray. Just some good big turns. Like 3 turns. Completely fresh run. Keep driving. I thought you had it, and then your arm just flung out. Careful. Oh, dang. Oh my God, dude. Oh yeah, keep it close. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Haven't done an outro in a long time. I know Ava hates it. So here you go. Thanks for watching North Star. Me and Rob today. Peace. It's fluffy.